Getting started with Venmo is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to download the Venmo app from the App Store if you have an iPhone or from Google Play if you have an Android device. Once the app is downloaded, you can open it and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. After providing the required information, you will need to verify your phone number and email address. This is a security measure to ensure that the account is being created by a real person. You will receive a verification code on your phone and email, which you need to enter in the app to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. This will allow you to send and receive money using the app. You can link your account by going to the Settings menu and selecting Add Bank or Card. You will need to provide your account details, such as your account number and routing number, to complete the linking process. After linking your account, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money. You can add friends and family members to your Venmo network and send them money using their username or phone number. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services at participating merchants. It is essential to keep your Venmo account secure by using a strong password and keeping your account information up to date. You should also be cautious when sending money to people you do not know, as transactions on Venmo are instant and cannot be reversed. In conclusion, getting started with Venmo is a simple process that requires downloading the app, creating an account, verifying your information, and linking your bank account or credit card. By following these steps and using best practices, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money quickly and securely.